Step into dynamic student living at Campus Edge Ann Arbor, a vibrant, fully furnished community that fuses modern comfort with an effortless commute. Choose from a full suite of room types, including 2, 3, and 4-bedroom apartments and studios, each featuring hardwood-style floors, stainless steel appliances, a full-size washer-dryer, 55-inch TV, and more. Work out in the 24-hour fitness center, reduce stress in the yoga studio, chill rooftop hot tub, and say hello to the Academic Success Center to focus on studies. This place has also got you covered with bike storage, reserved garage parking, high-speed internet, and trash, all included in your rent. You'll be close to the University of Michigan and Concordia University Ann Arbor. Additionally, you'll be within walking distance to the E Huron St, a 5th bus stop, and Ann Arbor train station. Grab a bite at lovely cafes or restaurants, all within a short stroll. Perfect for study breaks or post-class hangs. So, experience premium student living in Ann Arbor by booking your spot at Campus Edge via amberstudent.com today.